YouTube. In today's video, we will be learning how to disable Instagram likes. So basically, we'll be disabling the counter so no one can see how many persons like the video or the image or whatever. So this is a quick video on how to do that. So let's launch Instagram and let's see how we go about doing that. So first things first, you need to go to your profile and you need to click on whichever post you'd want to hide the like count for. So let's say I want to hide the like count for this post. What you'd simply need to do is to click on the three dots on the top right corner of the post and you need to click on hide like count. So like count hidden, as you can see right there. And you could also turn off commenting, and commenting on that post will not be available. Let me go back. Okay, so you could simply unhide like count and turn on commenting and everything will be back to normal. So that is basically it, guys. A quick and easy tutorial on how to disable Instagram likes in 2021. So thank you guys for watching. Hacker 007 out.